This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Flavia Burl. Adorable and rare 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch. Open floor plan with cathedral ceilings in main living area. Master bedroom suite has 2 separate closets and master bathroom with stand-up shower and linen closet. Among the many upgrades are the new luxury vinyl flooring and new carpet throughout. New designer colors interior paint. New concrete driveway in 2019. New dimensional shingle roof in 2017. New water heater in 2017. New HVAC system installed in 2012. Laundry on the main level. Great layout. Home lives large. 2-car attached garage and open deck off the dining room access the large flat backyard. The home is in pristine condition and move-in ready. Not included.